Today we are hiking in the Negev Desert, the southern part of Israel. The noise you hear behind me are IDF or IAF fighter jets, the Israel Air Force. And around me I am just east of Sde Boker, a kibbutz in the center of the Negev, and Majestic Ben Gurion, the Ben Gurion College, which is just south of Sde Boker. I set out from Majestic Ben Gurion along a trail. All of the nature trails are marked with a color. This is the red trail. I walked along the red trail and then onto a light blue trail. The objective of today's tour or hike is to prepare a hike where I will be leading high school students in the coming days on a part of the journey for Israeli identity, taking 11th graders on hikes in the nature and speaking about different aspects of our identity as Jews and Israelis, and doing this in the backdrop of the beautiful nature of the desert, enjoying unplugging and getting away from the city, and even walking into areas where we have no cell phone reception, and just unplugging and talking about who we are and why we are and how we connect to this beautiful land. We're going to be hiking around this flat top mountain that we see in the distance. It's called Mount Zaror, which refers to the Tzor, the Even Tzor, which is the flint stone that is spread out on the top of the mountain. And if you would like to see what it looks like, then come back for another video later on today. All right, you guys, you know what to do. Share the video with your friends, write a comment, and let me know that you are enjoying these video tours. Be well. God bless.